All right, cool. So now they're in, and I'm going to place it down. Your iron is plugged in. It's turned on. Notice it's 640 degrees. It's nice and hot. You have to keep the tip clean. So that's what the little brass scrubby is for. Poke it a little bit, scrape it, and then put a little fresh solder on the iron tip. Okay? You'll see the smoke. That's the rosin. That's the core of the solder, and that cleans the tip, cleans the metal, and you have your exhaust fan you can run. Okay? All right, notice my elbows are down on the table, and I'm going to get myself to where I can just do this kind of motion to get the soldering. So I'm going to position this in a way that I can just hold it down on a pad for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to place a little solder right at the junction of the tip and the part. 1, 2, 3, and bring it up and let it cool for another 1, 2, 3. So I'll do another one. I'm going to hold the tip on the pad and the part leg. I'm going to put a little solder right at the junction of those things. Flow a little bit in. 1, 2, 3. Pull it away. Simple as that. Okay? Put my iron back in the holder. Now we'll take a look. Okay, so you see those two joints. They're soldered up nice and clean. Nice and shiny. Flip it over on this side. You can see the solder has come through. Okay, and these are good. So that's great. So I'm going to continue down the line. I'll do the next two. Okay, so I'm pulling the iron out. I'm going to give it a quick wipe. Make sure it's shiny. Add some solder here. I'm going to heat up that pad and the leg at the same time. Just a few seconds. I'm going to place the solder right in there. Flow a little bit in, maybe like 1/8 of an inch. Just a few millimeters is all you need. Place it on the next one. Hold it down tight. A few seconds. Let it get hot. Flow that solder in. Boom. Those cool off really quick. Let's check. Now we can check the bottom here, and we can see if they're sitting flat. If they're sitting flat, they're good to go. Okay? And now we'll come around and do the top for them. Clean the tip. Put a little fresh solder on that iron. The molten solder makes a nice bridge for the heat to flow through. So I'm going to pin it down. Flow some solder, blow away the dust, pin it down, flow some solder, blow away the smoke, pin it down, flow some solder, boom, pin it down, flow some solder. So you want to get good at this, get quick. The resistors are pretty foolproof, I'll say that. I'm going to move this out of the way. But when it comes to LEDs, and the transistors especially, you don't want to be there too long heating them up. Okay? Once you've got those in and they're nice, you can take your cutters here and you can nip these legs off. So I'm going to get nice and close to the board. Snip, snip, snip. My finger's on the end of the lead, so when I hit it, it doesn't fly away. Get these 4. Snip, 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 snip. Nice and smooth. I mean, there's a little spikiness, but nice and clean, and we're good to go. Okay? So the next parts I should do are the next ones up. So I'm going to do the LEDs next. Then I would do the transistors, and then maybe the button, and then the capacitor. So I'm going to do the LEDs here, just to show you one last time, and that'll be the end of my little example here.